Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Excel function NPER. Now this NPER formula is going to return the number of periods for an investment based on periodic constant payments and constant interest rates. So it is going to give us the number of periods in which the present value is going to fetch us the prescribed future value. The arguments used in this formula are the rate of interest per period, the payment made each period, and here we need to ensure that the payment cannot change over the life of the annuity and it has to be taken in negative. The present value which is invested, it is to be also taken in negative. The future value which we are desiring to get, and type is basically we have to take 0 when the payment is due at the end of the period and 1 when the payment is due at the beginning of the period. So here is an example. We are going to consider the present value is taken as 10,000 and the future value is taken as 23,000. So we need to find it out in how many periods the 10,000 is going to fetch us a return of 23,000 at an interest rate of 12%, when apart from the initial investment of 10,000 we are also investing 500 per year, and the type is 0. That means these payments, this 500, are due at the end of the period. So go to insert function and choose NPER and now put the interest rate, that is 12%. Payment is 500, and as we have discussed, this payment we have to take it in negative. Present value is 10,000, that also we need to take in negative, and then future value 23,000 and type is 0. And it can fetch us that in 5.74 period we are able to convert this 10,000 to 23,000. So I hope this formula is clear to you. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe.